think everybody wants a law firm that has a track record of success, but you also want to look at a law firm that's been willing to fight some of the biggest, toughest entities on the other side that can be out there, because you want a firm that's willing to fight the meanest, toughest people for success that is required. Because sometimes a case may have insurance that takes you all the way to New York City. And we've had cases that have involved, for example, AIG and massive international insurers that have required us to go up to New York City and fight those types of lawyers. We've had experience fighting firms like Johnson & Johnson, which is the single largest healthcare company in the world now, that makes almost $1 billion a quarter. We've had experience fighting companies like Toyota, Ford, Honda on auto liability cases. Massive corporations with huge amounts of legal firepower and the resources to take every client as far as they can so they can minimize the damages and the responsibility they have. We've been willing to fight those types of fights. When it comes to medical products and devices, we've had fights from a Boston hip and knee manufacturer that was not one of the largest, but certainly had a massive amount of legal firepower, to Boston Scientific, which was also based up north of Boston, all the way then down to somewhere like Stryker or out in California, McKesson. These are the types of defendants that Perdue & Kidd is willing to take on, regardless of their resources or firepower, because we want to represent every client to the best of our ability. It shouldn't matter who's on the other side when you have a lawsuit and you've been hurt. It should matter that you have a lawyer with a track record of success suing and beating some of the biggest people that you can.